equals your Dell Latitude 5580 won't turn on. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. When a laptop won't power up, it could be due to a faulty battery, power adapter, or a hardware issue inside. Replacing the necessary component can often restore your device back to life and get you back on track. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.